Hello everyone, welcome to Citrix Synergy 2018 and we're at Citrix Ready booth doing the Partner Speak series. My name is Manjunath Agali, I'm part of the Citrix Ready team and I head the technical team in the program. And along with me I have Krish Chandra from EG Innovations. Hi Chris, welcome. Would you like to introduce yourself and talk about your products?
Oh, absolutely. So, hey, my name is Krish Chandra, and I'm a senior solutions architect with EG Innovations. We are really excited about our partnership with Citrix. Like, we are deeply integrated with Citrix. We thank them for choosing us as, the Global Ready partner, and we are actually excited to be monitoring all the Citrix technology stacks for the last 4 years in Citrix Summit and Synergy.
I know you have geared up something on the screen, so it looks like it's a demo that you are trying to show us. So what is this product all about? What is the product name and what are we actually showing to the audience today?
Absolutely. So our product is the EG Enterprise. So we are a Citrix performance management solution. So Citrix is a classic example of a multi-tiered application. And one of the challenges, Citrix administrators face every day is where is the root cause of the problem? Right, so Citrix has so many different Citrix components and non-Citrix technology stacks like network, storage, hypervisors, and the biggest challenge is where is the root cause when users complain. And I'm going to show you a quick demo of how everything works. All right, so what you really need, what Citrix administrators really need is a dashboard like this, which gives you a perspective of what is going on inside your Citrix and non-Citrix infrastructure. And the colors are very simple. Hey, green is for good. The darker the shade of red, more severe the problem is. The red is usually the root cause of the problem, the orange or effects of the problem. And when Citrix users complain, they don't call about a Citrix infrastructure problem. They call about a Citrix service delivery problem, right? So let's show you how we can actually monitor your Citrix service delivery end to end. The first thing that you're going to focus on is the user experience portion. So EG is tapped into, the user experience. Here you can see that the application access is taking 13 seconds, which is definitely a serious problem to look into. So let's try to drill down into what is causing this application slowness. So what you're seeing here is what we call as a service topology map, a pictorial representation of all the different Citrix and non-Citrix infrastructure technologies that are working hand in hand to deliver the applications and virtual desktops to the end users. So using simple color codes, you can clearly see that there is no problem with the NetScaler, delivery controller, XenApp servers, virtual center, but there is a major failure. So this is what happens. Like always, it's a problem with Citrix. Let's find out if it is really a problem with Citrix. So I'm going to drill down into the XenApp server problem. And what you're seeing here is a virtual topology. And the virtual topology is telling you that there is a XenApp server and also some other VMs on this VMware hypervisor, and the VMware hypervisor seems to have a critical failure. All right, let's try to drill down into it. So what you're seeing here is a layer model. It's loosely built on the OSI stack. What we believe in EG Innovations is a simple to use interface, a simple, easy on your eyes technology. We can clearly see that there is no hardware problem with this hypervisor. The network seems to be fine. There are problems with the virtual machines. Let's try to drill down into it. And we can see multiple VMs monitored. There is an application server here, which is having CPU bottleneck. We can drill down into, what are the processes which are taking up this CPU by clicking on this magnifying glass. In this particular scenario, what you're looking at is a non-Citrix process, like a backup process running on a non-Citrix VM, is hogging onto the CPU resources on this hypervisor, and this is creating problems to the XenApp VM, which is slowing down the application access. So now, do you have to do all this? Can we get to the problem, in a quick fashion? Absolutely, yes. So here you're looking at the current alarms console. Here we are prioritizing all the problems based on how severe the problems are. If you take a look at it, we are seeing that the VMware problem, the root cause of the problem, is on the top, and the effects of the problem on the bottom. So in today's monitoring space, this is what you typically get using some other monitoring solutions, which is, hey, you get a bunch of alerts thrown at you and you really don't know where to begin the troubleshooting. Using a sophisticated solution like EG, we can tell you not just there are problems happening within your Citrix infrastructure, but we can point you in the right direction saying that, hey, this is the root cause of the problem, and the rest of it are effects of the problem, which saves you a lot of time in terms of problem triage and problem rectification.
Perfect. So, can you share us more information about EG Solution, also EG Innovations products? Like, what is your portfolio of products that you have? Do you have products for Zen apps and desktop only, or do you have for Netscaler, any other product line as well?
Oh, absolutely. We actually monitor, like, say, all the Citrix products. So Zen App, Zen Desktop, Zen Mobile, ShareFile. Zen Server, we have the complete Citrix product portfolio monitored through EG.
That's great. And I also heard that you guys are also doing and developing the products for monitoring the Citrix Cloud services also.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. So we understand that everybody is moving towards the cloud, and Citrix Cloud is actually very, very popular. It's very, very powerful. So we are tapped into the Citrix Cloud APIs, and we are actually able to give you all the key performance metrics, not just for your Citrix deployments on-premise, but also in the cloud. Absolutely.
So are there any customers who are using your solutions for Citrix monitoring and all?
We have a lot of customers in different verticals, especially financial customers, healthcare customers, also in the government, lots of large enterprises where we are monitoring, like, say, 10,000 of Citrix users, thousands of Citrix servers worldwide. Absolutely.
Great. So with that said, I know EG Innovations is a long-term Citrix Ready partner.
Absolutely.
You have been associated with us for more than like 5-6 years now. So how's your program getting along with Citrix Ready? How is EG Innovations getting along with Citrix Ready?
So we are actually tapped into, we are working closely with Citrix, right? So any new enhancements that is happening with the Citrix technology, whether it's a newer version of Zen App or Zen Desktop, any new Citrix Cloud technologies, we work with Citrix closely. We have been able to use all the inputs from the Citrix team to actually make our solutions much more comprehensive and much more powerful.
Correct, great. So, well, Krish, that was a very nice demo, and I hope you have a great show at Synergy this year as well. And thanks for joining us here.
Hey, thank you so much. Really appreciate the opportunity. Thank you.